out, guys. I made nunchucks with the cardboard cylinders. They're thick cardboard. I used a dog chain, and then I put the loops inside of the cardboard. And on the other side, what I did was I stuck a wire in each of the cardboard tubes, and I looped them around here. See? So it's looped around there, so it's tied up, and then I pull it around, and then I wrap it around here, and then I just put duct tape here just to seal it. That way it holds these in there, and then this holds this until I have to reapply it. So I'm going to show you exactly how they work. Alright, these are the nunchucks, and this is them in action. And that's the force, and this is me grabbing it. And that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment or like below, and please subscribe.